Hi, and welcome back to Audio Trinity, where sound meets technology. We would like to thank all of you for your engagement in our recent content. In today's video, we will be conducting a product review on the Hisense HP120. Get ready to take your parties to the next level with the Hisense HP120 Party Box. This ultimate party starter is designed to turn any occasion into an unforgettable celebration. With its easy connectivity and versatile features, you can transform any gathering into a vibrant party in seconds. Imagine a karaoke party that will leave your friends and family in awe. The Hisense HP120 makes it possible with its built-in microphone ports and Bluetooth connectivity. Sing along to your favorite tunes or jam to instrumental tracks, the options are endless. Let me show you how easy it is to get the party started. We will now provide you with a live demonstration of the inputs and controls, and we will also do an actual live playback of how the HP120 sounds. So sit back and relax and enjoy. Welcome to our live demonstration. We are going to show you the inputs and the control panel. On the top we have inputs which are mic in, guitar in, line in. At the back we have RCA in and RCA out. We have the mic volume and the echo volume for the mic. We also have a feature called extra bass which amplifies the sound output. We have the Bluetooth button, the TWS party chain, the equalizer, the FM radio, the main volume control, your playback controls, your source, and your light settings which have 7 different selections, your guitar volume, and your main power. At the top we have USB playback and USB charging, where you can charge your phone from the USB port. The TWS party chain feature on this HP120 is quite awesome. You can purchase another HP120 up to 11 and link them in a chain. Stay tuned, a live demonstration of the sound of the HP120 will be provided next. So I suggest you grab a set of headphones and enjoy. Welcome back from our live demos. I do hope that you thoroughly enjoyed them. Let's now discuss the specifications of the HP120. The total output is 200 watt RMS. Its Bluetooth version is 4.2. The line input jack, it takes a 3.5mm. It has dual USB ports, and the rest of the stuff was discussed in our live. Let's talk pricing. Our pricing on the HP120 is $3,299 including VAT. The courier fee is fixed at 115 rands including VAT. Delivery may take a little longer due to the size of this item. Conclusion: the HP120 will provide you with the best party experience. With its powerful sound and dazzling lights. Order yours today. Thank you for watching this product review. Kindly support us by subscribing and following our channels. Like and share our content. It is highly appreciated. So until next time, thank you, goodbye, and God bless.